Hello creators, it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations, and I have a very special episode for you today. We are doing the Paper Pumpkin pop-up blog hop, where I am going to show you an alternate project using the supplies from the Paper Pumpkin kit for July 2018 Picnic Paradise. I'm so excited to show you how I made this card. Let's just dive right in. So this is the card that we are going to be making today. The only additional supply that you will need to create this card is a standard card base. So you're just going to need a piece of cardstock. I'm using Crumb Cake for this. You could use Whisper White or any other color that you like. This Paper Pumpkin kit is designed to create this beautiful basket with this fun gingham tissue paper and some really cute 3x3 cards that fill up the basket. These cards are so adorable and I love this kit just how it is. But if you're not a fan, or if you just like to create something new with these supplies, this card right here is going to be awesome. I'm going to show you the supplies that we're going to use. Here is the project that this box originally makes. So it makes 4 of 3 different style cards along with 4 of these adorable little baskets. The supplies I'm using, we're going to use this white linen thread. Of course, I'm also using the adhesives from the kit. I'm using 1 of the brads. For this card, we're going to go with strawberries. So I have 1 small and 1 large strawberry cutout. I have a piece of the vellum gingham from the kit. I've cut this a little bit and we're going to just trim another little piece off of this. I have the short brim stickers that originally are designed to go on the basket. We're going to use 1 of those. We're going to use 1 of the envelopes so that we can get that beautiful gingham print. And we're going to use some of the leaf stickers that are in there. From the included stamp set in this kit, I'm using the stamp For You, and I'm stamping it on 2 different lines, and I'll show you how I do that. We are also using the soft suede ink. I'm using the old style classic Stampin' Pad so that I don't have to open my Stampin' Spot. I'm going to cut a standard piece of cardstock in half. This piece is 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to cut it in half on the long edge at 5.5. And then I'm going to rotate that and score it at 4.25 to get my card base. Using my bone folder, I'm going to fold that card base in half and give it a nice crease. I'm going to take one of my envelopes and I'm going to carefully open that up by tearing that adhesive. The part that I really want to make sure that I get is the middle portion right here. I'm going to take my Stampin' Trimmer again. And I'm just going to basically cut off these 3 edges right here. Now I'm left with the front of my envelope and the flap. I'm going to cut off the adhesive that is on this envelope here. And we are left with this piece. Now it's approximately 4 1/8 by 3 1/4. So that's just some approximate measurements for you if you are wanting to create this without using the kit contents. Okay, we're going to stick that right up near the top, and I'm trying to make sure that I have an equal amount of space on the sides and the top of the card. There we go. Now we're going to take those strawberries. I'm going to put one of the large ones up in the corner here, and I think I'm going to put the other one down in this corner down there. You can use glue dots for this that are included in the kit, but I'm going to use snail just because it's a little quicker. I'm going to take some of those leaf stickers. We're just going to kind of tuck those under like that. I'm going to take one of the short brim stickers. We're going to put it right in the middle. And the gingham vellum piece, I'm going to cut a little bit off so that it just kind of goes right over that sticker, just like that. So I'm going to cut right on the line here. I'm going to take those glue dots and put them on the back of there. I'm going to adhere that into the middle of that sticker piece. One more piece I forgot we're using is this tag right here. So we're going to pop one of those out. I'm going to cut off this red part at the bottom here to just make it flush. I'm going to take one of our brads and put it right in the tag hole there. Separate the legs like that. And before I push it down too far, I'm going to take a little bit of my linen thread. I'm going to put it around the top like this. And then one way to save your fingers and make sure that you get this brad nice and flush down on there, I'm just going to lay it down on my workspace and take my thumb and just give it a gentle press so that it evens down. And it's nice and flat now. Okay, I'm going to tie a little bow. And now we're going to do some stamping with our For You stamp. I'm taking a sticky note and the sticky part of the top, I'm going to tear off a little bit of that sticky part. And I'm going to cover the part of the stamp that I don't want to stamp yet. So I'm covering the U portion because I'm going to do the For first at the top. Open up your ink pad and then we're just going to ink up the For. We're going to stamp that down first. Okay, now I'm going to move that over to the For. And we're going to stamp the U. Pop that up with a couple dimensionals and put that right over the front. And there we are, creators. There is our super fun alternate card for this special edition of Melissa's Creations for the Paper Pumpkin Pop-Up Blog Hop. Make sure and leave me a comment and let me know if you're Team Strawberry or Team Blueberry for these card alternates. Be sure to head over to my coordinating blog post to see how you can get 50% off your first month for new subscribers with the Blooming Summer Savings Promotion. And don't forget to click that next button so that you can hop along to all of the other demonstrators who are participating in this super fun alternate blog hop. I hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in seeing the original kit, make sure you check out that video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when I upload future videos. You can follow me online at melissascreations.com or on Facebook at facebook.com/mcreations. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest with the hashtag @mcreations. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon.